Hello students, this is one of the most important question, very important question. So in this pattern there are several questions in your textbook based on the ratio, the comparison. Okay, here they are comparing two, not two balloons, actually it is a one balloon, but in different position it will be in different size. Okay, so see, the radius of the spherical balloon increased from 12 centimeter to 16 centimeter as the air being pumped into it. The balloon is in the shape of sphere. Assume that it is a perfect sphere. This is the balloon, so you can take it as Happy Christmas. It is a balloon. When the air is bumped into it, what will happen? Actually, this is one radius, the initial position. After the air being pumped into it, it will become a big size, in big size. So this radius will be greater than this radius because the center of the bigger sphere is here. So I have marked as here. So this is R2, that radius. So actually this radius was 12 centimeter. When the air being pumped into the balloon, the size is increased. Now the radius of the new radius of the sphere, the balloon becomes 16 centimeter. Okay, so it is a very simple concept. Balloon irukku, we are pumping the air into the balloon, so it becomes larger than the initial size. So the radius is increased from 12 to 16 centimeter. Okay, what the question is, find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon. So in the initial position it has some surface area. When it becomes, the surface area also increased. So we have to find that ratio. Okay, here the question is the ratio of the surface area in two cases. Therefore, the ratio of the surface area in two cases is equal to 4 pi r square. So we know surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So the first case is 4 pi r1 square is to, because of ratio, 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi r square is the formula. Here in the two different cases radius is different. So r1, that is r2. So in the next step, when we simplify, we have to write it, this is in the form of ratio, we have to write in the form of fraction. So 4 pi is equal to 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi will be cancelled. R1 is 12 square by R2 is 16 square. So 12 into 12, 16 into 16. So I am doing my own method. So in the book they simplified the ratio of the radius, then they have substituted. So this is the very simple way. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Then the 3 3s are 9 by 4 4s are 16. Is it possible to cancel now? No, we cannot simplify. So then therefore the required ratio is equal to 9:16. Very simple concept. So in your textbooks there are several similar questions are there. There are several similar questions are there in your textbook. So based on volumes. So if it is in the question inge surface area ketirukanaala we have used the surface area formula. If they are asking volume, just write the volume formula. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled, r cube, r1 cube by r2 cube. So then similarly we can simplify, we will get I think 27 by 64 the ratio of the volume. So not only for sphere, based on cone, based on cylinder, there are several ratio problems are there. You can. So this is the concept that we have to write the ratio formula, then write in the form of fraction, then substitute the values of r or h, whatever the ratio is given, then we can simplify and then we can solve. Okay, good.